All right, guys, we're here for another Jeff Lawn Secrets video. And this is no secret if you've seen my other videos. Milo. All right, I'm going to post links in the description where you can get this fairly cheap, depending on your local store. As you can see, I got 5 bags here. This is Milorganite, aka Milo. It's going to give you better results. Lush lawns. Slow release is the big key of nitrogen. 2,500 square feet, it says 1 bag, but no, you're going to need more than that. And you want to do it. Pile it on. You can't burn your lawn with it. And your lawn is going to look just like that. So we're going to keep this video short and sweet. I'm going to throw down right now. Okay, guys, so I just got done throwing down 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of Milorganite. You go to the Yard Mastery app. Once you break down your lawn into 2,500 square feet or 1,000 square feet sections on the app, then it makes it very nice and easy. So for the smaller sections, like my backyard here, so get something like this, okay? And I'll put a link in the description. For you to buy this. This makes it really nice and easy. To do this section right here, which has little thin strips. Very safe to use. This is for summertime use. Okay, so Milorganite will not burn. It is wonderful. It is iron rich. Slow release. Look for the date on here. Make this your summertime go-to fertilizer. So guys, we're going to end the video here. I want you to go and start buying bags of Milorganite. Invest into your lawn. Yes, it's going to cost a little bit of money. Remember, we're not paying for a service anymore. We're going to put this down Memorial Day. This is for cool season grass. 4th of July, Labor Day, and Thanksgiving. And here's your warm season grass. You're going to put this down on Easter, Memorial Day, Labor Day, and early October. And again, 1 bag will cover 2,500 square feet. A lot of people like to increase that number. So feel free to double up if you want. We want that deep green look. All right, guys, comments, questions, leave them down there, and I'll meet you on the lawn.